A good Monday morning to you. I am meteorologist Kevin Skarupa with your latest webcast update. Winter storm warnings posted till mid-morning in southern areas of the state and through later this afternoon up north. First phase of the storm just about over now as the snow continues to gradually taper off this morning from west to east. But into the afternoon, we will see winds gusting out of the northwest over 30 to 35 miles an hour, and that could mean some scattered power outages in areas. You could see as we record this for you just after 4:30 a.m., the lion's share of the accumulating snow left over right now in the eastern half of the state, while out west it has lightened considerably. We will continue to see some areas of light snow even in some western areas this morning before eventually tapering off into the afternoon with even some partial sunshine out there. But again, winds will be the big story going through the afternoon with gusts over 30 to 35 miles an hour. Temperatures mainly in the 20s across the area, and with clear skies tonight, windy this evening, and then going down to just breezy at 10 to 20 plus miles an hour overnight tonight. Partial sunshine for your Valentine's Day tomorrow. Temperatures in the 20s to lower range of the 30s. And then the next system looks like a kind of a double area of low pressure. One back out through the Great Lakes, another one trying to redevelop offshore. And most of the maps kind of keep those two separated, and that would mean just some light snow for us on Wednesday. But it is something we'll be tracking as we go forward here through the afternoon and this evening beyond the gusty winds we will have out there today. Once that goes by, it does look like it could be an extended stretch of much quieter weather starting Thursday that likely lasts through the weekend. Winds gusting over 30 to 35 miles an hour at times through the afternoon and even into this evening before gradually starting to lighten up overnight. We'll see a breeze at 10 to 15 miles an hour during the day tomorrow. 20s for most out there today as the light snow we'll have out there this morning with an additional inch or two, especially in eastern and northern parts of the state, gives way to some sunny breaks into the afternoon. Gusty northwesterly winds, 30 to 35 mile an hour gusts, a possibility with some scattered power outages. Also a possibility. 20s to lower 30s tomorrow with a brief break in between systems. Some light snow Wednesday, which gives way to some gusty winds again on Thursday.